We're going to do a little training today in RainMaker on how to take a very large rank promotion. Let's say that you're testing 300 members for their next rank, or maybe it's just 100, and you have 3 different testings or 4 different testings, and instead of having a big long list of everyone that's promoting this time, you want to break that down into smaller groups. Maybe you're testing on Thursday, then on Friday, then on Saturday, and you want to bring up only those that are testing on Thursday. I want to talk about Facebook real quick. Make sure that you like us on Facebook, even if you're a staff member of a school, because every day we're always giving out information on our Facebook fan page of things that are helpful for RainMaker, and you don't want to miss any of that stuff. The other thing that we do is we're constantly adding new features to RainMaker all the time. And in this section right here is all the things that we've added just in the last week. So we're constantly adding new features and you don't want to miss anything, so it's right here on this page. A lot of times I know we just scroll down to the bottom and hit Continue RainMaker as fast as we can. And let me tell you something, that you might miss something and you don't want to. It might make your life a lot easier. It might save you time, effort, money. So check those out. Also, don't forget about our support. It's built into RainMaker. On your left-hand side, you'll see a question mark that follows you. And in there is, you can ask a question, send us an email. You can also, view a video of that page. So let's continue on to RainMaker and let's get to our training today, which is how to take a big, large promotion and make it into smaller groups. In other words, segregate it. So if we go to Settings and we go down here to Rank Promotion Groups, that's what we're going to work on. We're going to create some groups, and I'm going to give you some examples of groups. Read through this text right here. It'll give you a good example, okay? So I've already created some groups here. I have a group called Junior Beginners because in my dojo we have them separated by age group and level. That's how we do our belt promotion. So I have in here Junior Beginners, Junior Intermediates, Adults, Junior Advanced, Little Champs. I also have a testing Friday at 6 for anybody that cannot make it, and then I also have a Jiu-Jitsu testing. So what we can do is we can add a group here. We can also remove all the members that we've assigned to this group. We can remove them all by just clicking the button. And if I don't use this anymore, I can also delete it from the system, okay? So let's go to Members, Rank Promotions, and then add and edit a rank promotion. And let's go to this 415 promotion, or, we can type a new one in, but I'm going to click here. And it's going to bring up a list of members in my school. I'm sure you've seen this before, how you mass promote people to their next rank. And you'll notice that on your left-hand side, we have this column called Bulk. And what I want to do is I want to add some people to the group here. And the group that I'm going to assign them to, so I'm just randomly selecting some folks, okay, is I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. I want to add these students, or scroll all the way to the bottom. I'm going to add these students into this group, and I'm going to call these group. I'm going to assign them to a group, and the group is going to be called Junior Advanced, and I'm going to hit Go. And at that fast, it just took those students and assigned them to the group that I had wanted to. So what do you do with this? So now they're in a group, right? So what do you do from there? Well, now if I go to my rank promotions and I'm trying to run a report on who is registered, and I pick my 430, I think it was 430, right? Or maybe it was 45, and then I pick my group Junior Advanced. When I click, you can see the people that I selected that passed their test show up on this group. So that's beautiful, because now I can actually pull up a list of those that are in just that group that passed their test. So I can imagine that on Friday night at 7:15, when this group was about to come out, I have a list in front of me and I can check off people as they're here. I can make sure that their belts and their sizes are correct. I could give them a phone column over here in case I need to, get in touch with them. So that's a report. What else can you do? All right, well, there's another report, and that is if I rank promotions, if I create labels, and I just want to create labels to put on the belts just for the Junior Advanced, well, then I can do that as well. I hit Go. My labels are here. I view them, and so just those 4 people are printed on a label. I can peel off this label, stick it on a belt. Now I only have the belts that I need for that specific group, that specific testing. So this is one way that RainMaker makes it so easy for you to conduct a belt promotion or a rank promotion, no matter how large or how small that it is. I hope this training has helped you, and thank you so much for being a Rainmaker.